Dropshipping has become a popular business model in the e-commerce world, and YouTube is flooded with tutorials on how to succeed in the industry. But with the abundance of videos out there, how many dropshipping tutorials can one person really make? The Ecom King is just one of the many dropshipping gurus on YouTube, promising to reveal the secrets of making big money with minimal effort. His flashy videos and catchy titles attract thousands of views, and aspiring entrepreneurs eagerly click on his content, hoping to unlock the key to dropshipping success. Take one of my businesses as an example. It started with just the basic dropshipping products from AliExpress, and as it grew, it had to change, but more on that later. As the video starts, the dropshipping expert enthusiastically shares his story from going from broke to a six-figure income in just a few months, all thanks to dropshipping. They talk about finding hot products, setting up an online store, and using social media to drive traffic and sales. But as the video progresses, it becomes clear that the information he's sharing is just the tip of the iceberg. They briefly touch on the importance of market research, product sourcing, and order fulfillment, but fails to provide any real insights or strategies. They barely mention the challenges of customer service, handling returns and refunds, and dealing with shipping delays. They don't mention the intricacies of managing inventory, tracking sales, and optimizing conversion rates. This is a key part to the business of a dropshipping, as a customer service is what can make or break your business. With long shipping times as well, you need to nurture your customer so they don't make a chargeback. When someone would charge back on their products from my business during the Chinese New Year, and as everyone would know, shipping times from China is crazy, it would be still in transit to the customer, and they got their money back as well as the product, which made me lose on the product cost. As the video ends, the YouTuber would urge the viewers to buy a premium course, promising to reveal the secret sauce that will guarantee their success in dropshipping. But the truth is, there is no secret sauce. Dropshipping is a complex and competitive marketplace. It requires much more than just surface level knowledge. It requires more than just basic marketing knowledge as well. You have to make the customer want the product which you are selling to them and make them think you are the only person selling it. The reality is that many of these dropshipping tutorials on YouTube are created by people who have only experienced short-term success or have no real experience in the industry at all. They rely on flashy videos, exaggerated claims, and hype to attract views and subscribers, but they fail to deliver the substance and depth needed for long-term success in dropshipping. In contrast, there are some genuine dropshipping experts who provide valuable in-depth content on YouTube. These creators share their real-world experiences, strategies, and insights, and offer practical advice that goes beyond the basics. They discuss the importance of building a brand, creating a unique value proposition, and establishing trust with customers. They delve into the nuances of choosing the right niche, finding reliable suppliers, and building relationships with them. They emphasize the importance of continuous learning, adaptation, and perseverance in an ever-challenging landscape of e-commerce. When I started getting lots of organic traffic, I would bundle items together into kits, and people would buy them over the singular products one by one. This made the customer experience easier since I had the data. When a customer purchases product A, they could usually purchase product B alongside it. With that, I can bundle these items together and run a new, unique value proposition as a bundle. While dropshipping tutorials on YouTube can provide a starting point for beginners, it's crucial to approach them with caution and discernment. It's important to look for creators who offer genuine expertise, backed by real-world experience and results, and who focus on providing valuable and actionable content rather than having hype and empty promises. It's important to look beyond the dropshipping scope and think about what you're going to do if it works out. The problem and a large red flag on a YouTuber is when most of their videos are full beginner dropshipping courses, such as the person who I'm showing off now. Almost 50% of their videos are made to attract new people to their channel, and experienced dropshippers don't use YouTube to learn. They learn proper business strategies, such as marketing psychology and ways they can grow their business by acquiring warehouse space and changing manufacturing from the cheapest on the market to a local or higher quality supplier. Experienced dropshippers do what big companies do. They are replicating the businesses which they want theirs to become, not churning useless products out when they don't work. In the end, I learned from YouTube and a few paid courses. I was able to adapt my business so it had faster shipping times, as well as I mentioned before, having bundles. This made my offer better than Amazon. Dropshipping tutorials on YouTube can be a double-edged sword. While they can provide helpful insights and strategies, not all of them offer the in-depth knowledge and practical advice needed to truly succeed in the competitive world of dropshipping. It's essential to approach these tutorials with critical thinking, do thorough research, and seek out credible sources of information to build a solid foundation. For your dropshipping business, remember, success in dropshipping requires more than just following a few basic steps. It requires continuous learning, adaptability, and perseverance in the face of challenges.